Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about how I got this look. Obviously this wig is from, I believe it's called Kriyya. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, Kriyya wigs, hair wigs, I'm not sure, but this was pretty much a really easy, really quick install. I just plucked it and pulled out some baby hairs. I didn't even wet it. These are the original curls, which I really like. I'm super happy to play with it and see just what it gives. I was really in a rush too, and it still is coming out really cute. So if you want to see how I got this look or get into the details of this hair, I'm still like doing it. Wait a second. Oh, baby hair. But yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look and get into a little bit of the details, keep watching. We're gonna jump right into the video.
So like I said, this was definitely one of my quicker installs, probably the quickest I've ever installed. The hair is so beautiful, you guys. I didn't even want to take it off. It was so easy to install. But for the most part, I'm literally just going to put this on my head. I go bleach the knots. This is the hair before I customize it. Just showing you guys the wig. But I bleach it and I pluck it. And then I literally just put it on my head. So yeah, this is it when I came back. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch.
And that wraps it up for this video, guys. Thank you, Kriyya Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later on the next one.